Hi everyone, welcome back to Undoubtme. We are starting a series of 50 questions with which you can revise your GCSE content. So let us begin. As you can see, this is our first question where we have to arrange them in the order or size from smallest number first. So if I look at the numbers, it is better in such cases we can just try to bring them in some common notation so that we can compare them. For example, the first term is 8 root 3. This can be written as 8 root 3 over root 3, so which can be eventually written as 8 root 3 by 3. Then the next term is root 6 times root 2. Root 6 can be written as root 2 times root 3, and then root 2 is also there, so root 2 times root 2 is 2, so this is 2 root 3. And the last one. In the last one, 48, if you factorize 48, it is 4 times 4 times 3. We can factorize it in the form of prime factors also, but it really doesn't matter. You don't have to show the working for this. Okay, so you can even factorize it like this because you have to eventually get a pair. So we have got a pair of 4 over here. Similarly, minus 27 can be written as 3 times 3 times 3. We have got a pair here as well. So this is 4 root 3 minus 3 root 3, which can be written as 1 root 3. Now from here it is clearly evident that the first term is approximately 2.66 root 3, then 2 root 3, and then 1 root 3. So if I need smallest first, then I can say 1 root 3, that is root 48 minus root 27 will be the first, then followed by 2 root 3, that will be followed by 2 root 3 can be written as root 6 times root 2, and that will be followed by 8 over root 3. In the end, we can write them in the same form what they had given, and this is how we can rearrange. This is a question which is helpful for rationalizing surds and dealing with those type of numbers and expressions. So I hope that it is clear to you. Just try to solve more similar type of questions for further revision on surds.